Science and technology make dreams come true. R&D Center of Tailg Group researched and developed T-SIP, smart and integrated power by ourselves, which is made of embedded oil-cooling permanent magnet brushless DC motor and 5 manual clutch transmissions. Through the conversion of different stalls, it can provide different torque and rotational speed output. The maximum rotational speed of the motor is about 12,000 RPM. Its maximum output peak power is 18 kilowatts, and its maximum torque is about 19.8 Newton meters. The maximum speed can be up to 100 kilometers per hour, and its range can reach about 100 kilometers.